So when I joined IAC, I started in the industry commerce desk, so internal audit and risk into big corporates. And then about 4 years ago, we were working with some big consultancy firms who were taking more of an interest in ESG and sustainability, and a lot of our clients were starting to talk about what they were going to do in that space and this sort of new era of sustainability. So we had a look at that as an option, and it was again a natural evolution for the business because, of course, ESG covers a lot of governance. We came at it very much from the governance perspective to start with, and we're able to work with existing clients, but that quickly broadened out into the S and the G, the S and the E. So we cover the whole spectrum now of sustainability specialisms. But that started for us in consultancy, where you see the whole range of skill sets from strategy to greenhouse gas accounting to climate risk scenario analysis, to nature and biodiversity, and of course a lot of reporting. And that gave us a really good exposure across the whole range of skill sets within sustainability, and really gave us a deep network in that space as well. Then as things evolved, we started doing a lot more work with our corporate clients around this as well, which is sort of second bucket of work we do. So the consultancies, the corporates, and that's very much helping corporates scale their in-house capability with those technical sustainability skill sets, right from the chief sustainability officer down to sort of data analysts who are looking at sort of carbon emissions data within that setting. And then the interesting thing for us is, as a business, we've been able to open up earlier stage organisations that don't necessarily have the corporate governance requirements that most of our work points towards. And we've now worked with a lot of early stage companies, all high impact, climate tech, nature tech, those that are building some sort of sustainability product to help scale their teams, either from the technical sustainability angle or leadership teams, CFOs, chief commercial officers, data teams, product teams, commercial teams. And that has been a really interesting part of our work over the last few years. So 3 buckets: consultancies, corporates, and startups is kind of where we play, and that is across all levels from entry through to those leading those teams, chief sustainability officers and directors in big firms.